if you guys can still remember that we had our first Facebook Live webinar with one of our partner school as well, and this was last August. So some real talk about studying in Australia as well. And we also have our colleague Katrina, who is very insightful with giving information about studying in Australia. And now we are going to focus more on Sydney, which is one of our partner school as well, for some real talk studying in Sydney, Australia. All right, so what's in it for you for today's Facebook Live webinar? So first is to discover how ICS Cebu can guide you from study to permanent residency in Australia later on. Next is to explore courses, scholarships, discounts, and campus facilities directly from Skyline International College. And as well, if you have some questions that you want us to address, let us know in the comment section below, or just PM us on our Facebook page, ICS Cebu. No BS, just real talk. So if we could just address all your questions. So we will start in a bit. Let's just have for another 2 minutes to wait for those. And also, we also have Gcash prizes, everyone. So you just have to type the right answer in the comment section, and we will give you Gcash prize. Yes, so this Facebook Live webinar is in partnership with Skyline International College. Let's start. So before we proceed, I'd like to highlight why Australia. So Australia, we've got here the benefits of Australian education is that we all know that Australian has a good high quality education, especially for those students who wanted to study in abroad. It's multicultural, diverse, and global. And they've got global pathways as well and job-ready qualifications. And aside from that, you can also work and study at the same time while you are studying in Australia. And after you graduated in a 2-year course visa, Australia offers post-study visa opportunities. So we call it 485 visa in Australia. And of course, we've got some available courses that has pathway to PR or PR pathway courses. And aside from that, it is a safe place to live and study in Australia. All right, so we've got here some common myths versus realities, Sydney edition. So they said that studying in Sydney means constant hustle and no work-life balance. So guys, this is incorrect. So ako naranasan ko din maging isang international student, and that's true that we've got constant hustle while we are in abroad, but it's not true that there is no work-life balance, especially in Australia. Like, they value your mental health, not just mentally, but also physically. So the reality is that Sydney is known for its vibrant student life with great balance between academics and relaxation. So with its beautiful beaches, parks, and social events, students can definitely enjoy leisure while pursuing their studies, making it a well-rounded experience. So we've got here another myth again. If you study in Sydney, so Sydney only offers limited academic programs. So guys, especially in Skyline International College, they've got varieties of academic programs that they offer, guys. So yes, so Sydney is a home to a wide range of prestigious universities and vocational institutions, offering a diverse array of programs in various fields such as business, health, engineering, arts, and technology, and there's something for everyone. So it will always depend on your profile, guys. Okay. All right. So without further ado, let me welcome our marketing officer of Skyline International College to learn more about Real Talk, your easy guide to studying in Australia in partnership with Skyline International College. So let's all welcome Mr. Benzo.
Alright, good afternoon. Gising pa ba tayo?
Yes, good afternoon, Benzo. How are you?
I'm doing fine, Kyla. Thank you for asking. Kamusta naman kayo dyan?
Good, good. We are very, very good. And we are so excited to have you here. Thank you so much for having for having this Facebook Live webinar for today.
Of course, ICS is one of our partners na talagang inaalagaan, and we are very
Yes.
proud na we are one of the partners ni ICS and talagang mapagkakatiwalaan sila. That is why we are doing this activity, this webinar, para lang malaman ninyo na si Skyline is working with ICS na talagang makaka-help sa journey ninyo studying abroad. So, good afternoon, everyone. So, let me introduce myself again. My name is Ben Zaladol. I am the marketing officer of Skyline International College. So what I do is I represent Skyline here in the Philippines for me to help our students na makapunta abroad, especially in Sydney, Australia. So di ko na patatagalin. Let's start our discussion na. Alright, so by the way, Skyline International College. So next slide, please. All right. So something about us is we started operating since 2017. So we're about 7 to 8 years in the market. So matagal na siya for this kind of industry. So talaga mapagkakatiwalaan niyo na si Skyline po ay isang business na kayang magtagal. All right. So we have a lot of partners na makaka-help sa inyo. And this kind of business is not a joke. But we are trying our best to provide the best quality education sa aming mga students. And also, we are a vet provider. What do we mean by vet provider? We are offering courses po, yung mga skilled courses po like automotive, hospitality, construction courses, and many more. And isa sa mga magandang offer ni Skyline is we are offering more than 8 intakes each year. So bihira lang po siya sa mga institution sa Australia because we want more Filipino students dito. That is why you don't need to wait longer para makapag-start ng study mo abroad since we have a lot of offers and intakes each year. Okay, so we are offering a lot of courses, quality courses, and our campus is located sa Burwood. So that's like 20 minutes away sa CBD or Central Business District ni Sydney, and that's 3 minutes away sa Central Station. So it means kahit saan ka man manggaling, kahit saan ka man magpunta, talagang makakarating ka sa school mo
Malapit lang.
since
Yeah.
malapit lang siya. Okay, so next slide please. Ayan. So, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, Skyline International College is owned by our CEO, Sir Mahendra Oli. So, matagal na po siya sa industry. Yung expertise niya is 16 plus years. Sobrang tagal na siya sa industry. That's why talagang mapagkakatiwalaan natin na yung head ng ating institution na papasukan is someone na talagang may pake sa student and talagang aalagaan ka. Siyempre naman, yung mga magulang natin for our younger generation dyan na ginagawang pangarap ang mga pag-aral abroad, we are looking forward na sana yung school na mapasukan natin is yung talagang nag-care sa atin. And we are here, I am part of Skyline International College and I am very proud na ang boss ko ay isang mabait na boss. So, next slide please. Okay. Governance. Kapag sinabi man natin governance, ano yun, Sir Benzel? Pag sinabi natin governance, ayun po yung pinapatupad namin sa aming school. So we want to provide the highest quality education na pwede namin ibigay sa mga student namin while sinusunod namin yung mga dapat sundin na batas in Australia. So what are those? So we want to provide a leadership and accountable business and service sa ating mga student. The second one is we are when it comes to compliance and integrity, top 1 namin siyang sinusunod. Audit and risk management and also continuous improvement. Those are the things na focus ni Skyline para makapagbigay ng high quality education sa ating mga clients and students. So, if you're looking for an institution na talaga magbibigay ng magandang quality education para sa inyo, Skyline is the best option for you. Next slide po. So, ang tanong natin, ang daming institution, Sir Benzel, sa Sydney, ang dami nag-offer ng opportunity. Bakit si Skyline? So, there's a lot of choices, but these are the highlights. Okay? The first one is prime location. Just like what I mentioned earlier, our campus is located at Burwood. So, sobrang lapit niya lang sa Central Station. And not to mention, yung school namin is napapalibutan siya ng park, swimming pools, restaurant, and marami pang activities. So makakasigurado ka na yung location mo is talagang maraming activity, hindi ka maboboring. Okay? And sobrang lapit niya lang din sa CBD or Central Business District ni Sydney. And also learning environment. So ano bang pinagkaiba ng pag-aaral sa ibang bansa and dito sa Pilipinas? Isa sa mga pinakamalaking pagkakaiba nila is yung learning environment. Dito kay
Mm-mm.
Skyline, we are well equipped with learning environment featuring modern technology. Like, for example, gusto mo mag-aral ng hospitality courses, like gusto mo matuto magluto, gusto mo matuto mag-bake sa kitchen, yung gagamitin ninyong appliances and technology is the same thing na gagamitin ninyo or may apply ninyo sa real life opportunity or sa trabaho nyo talaga. So that is one of our advantage. Di kami gumagamit ng mga lumang technology. Yung ginagamit
Mm-mm.
namin is something na mapapakinabangan ninyo in future. Right? And also small class sizes. But the small class sizes, bakit ba maganda yung small class sizes? Kasi yung small class sizes, kapag nag-face-to-face na, yung interaction natin with our student, ayaw natin ng seksikan. Ayaw natin yung hindi tayo napapansin. So, mas onti yung student sa isang classroom, mas lalo kang mafocus ng instructor or trainer ninyo. So, that is one of our advantage sa ibang institution. Hindi naman sa onti ang student namin, talagang tinatry lang namin yung best namin para mabigyan ng focus ang isang student. So, also flexible study options. So, Sir Benzel, ang gusto ko, makapagtrabaho ako while studying. Siyempre, magagawa mo makapagtrabaho. Pwede kang mag-sideline. Pwede kang magtrabaho habang nag-aaral. We want to help you ma-achieve yung mga dreams mo. Siyempre, kabalikat niyan yung financial. And makakatulong kapag may sideline tayo. Sa flexible study option namin, we can help to give you the best option na schedule ninyo para habang nagtatrabaho ka, hindi mo napapabayaan yung pag-study mo. Okay, so you will have the right to work 40 hours per fortnight. So 20 hours per week, and then 2 days sa isang week mo pwede kang mag-aral, and then the other day is online lang. So we will give you the flexible study option sa schedule ninyo. Okay? So industry connection. So ano ibig sabihin yan, sir? Kailangan ba namin yan? Sa isang institution na pipiliin ninyo, kailangan meron silang connections na kung saan magpapadali ng situation mo kapag gusto mo na kumuha ng trabaho. Diba? So gusto natin yung institution or yung school na papasukan natin is yung tutulungan tayo para makapaghanap ng trabaho. And also when it comes to placement or OJT, hindi na rin kayo mahihirapan kasi we have a lot of connections and partners na ready sumalo sa inyo. Student support. Kapag tinawag nating student support, ano nga ba yung mga suporta na ibibigay namin sa inyo? So next slide please. Alright, so these are the student support na binibigay namin sa ating mga estudyante. And those are extracurricular activities. We are conducting a lot of activities. So talagang enjoy ang pag-aaral mo sa Skyline International College. And also we have a lot of events na ginaganap din. Yung internship, kailangan siya kasi yung courses na binibigay natin is yung mga skilled courses. Right? So kapag hindi mo siya na-apply before you start working sa Australia, may hirapan ka. That's why we are offering internship. Flexible installment fees, kapag nagkakaroon kayo ng problema when it comes to financially, so si Skyline is nandyan para tulungan kayo, para hindi maging burden sa inyo yung financial kapag nandun na kayo sa Australia. Right? And also academic assistance, kapag nahihirapan kayo sa mga subjects, sa mga classes ninyo, Skyline is here to help you. Counseling and well-being, accommodation support. Kapag wala kayong kapamilya or wala talaga kayong kilala abroad or Australia, andito kami para maghanap ng accommodation para sa inyo. So hindi na kami mahihirapan maghanap ng accommodation. Alright, so career development and orientation and peer support. Those are the important things na dapat ninyong hanapin kapag naghahanap kayo ng school na papasukan ninyo abroad. And those are the offers na binibigay namin for student support dito sa Skyline. Next slide, please. And ito yung mga picture ng facilities namin. As you can see here, meron kaming sariling kitchen. Meron kaming sariling computer lab for IT students. Meron din kaming sariling workshop for our automotive student. Alright? So marami tayong mga quality na technology or equipment na ipapagamit sa inyo para may apply natin yung napag-aralan natin sa klase. Alright, so kung curious kayo ano yung mga courses na binibigay namin kay Skyline, these are the courses that we offer here. We offer automotive courses, alright, business and management courses, community services courses, construction, early childhood education and care, hospitality courses, and IT courses. So Sir Benzel, anong pwede namin matutunan or anong pwedeng kunin namin na subject sa automotive? Alright. So yung pwede natin kunin sa automotive is, next slide please. So we can offer or we are offering certificate 3 in light vehicle mechanical technology. And also we offer certificate 4 in automotive mechanical diagnosis. Next slide. We also offer diploma of automotive management. Okay. We also offer certificate 3 in automotive electric vehicle technology. So dumadami na yung mga electric car ngayon. So asahan natin in the future magiging in demand na siya. Diba? So we also offer certificate 3 in automotive electrical technology. So pa-advance ang technology natin. Dito nga sa Pilipinas meron ng Grab electric taxi, 'di ba? So marami na tayong nakikita mga brands ng kotse na BYD, iba't iba Tesla nandito na rin sa Pilipinas. So talagang ini-expect natin yung pag-boom ng mga courses na ganito. Okay? So next slide. So we also offer business and management courses. So Sir Benzel, ano yung mga courses na pwede namin kunin doon? We offer Diploma of Leadership and Management, Advanced Diploma of Leadership and Management, and also Graduate Diploma of Management. So those are very good courses na nagugustuhin ninyong i-take kasi napakaraming opportunity nito mga to. Okay, for community services, we offer Certificate 3 in Individual Support, and also we offer Diploma of Community Services. Alright, so yung mga nurses natin dito na gustong humanap ng opportunity abroad, these are the best courses na pwede ninyo i-take. Okay? For construction courses naman, Sir Benzel, ano yung mga pwede namin kunin? We offer Certificate 3 in Wall and Floor Tiling, Diploma of Building and Construction. Alright, so tayo mga Pilipino, mahilig tayong magkalikot. Magagaling yung mga tatay natin pagdating sa paggawa ng bahay, na-adapt natin and gusto din natin na, maging career pagtanda natin. Yung mga engineers natin dyan, di ba? So these are the courses na ino-offer namin. Certificate 3 in Wall and Floor Tiling. Di ba? Diploma of Building and Construction. Ayan. Certificate 3 in Carpentry. So those are the courses that we offer here kay Skyline International College. Alright? So next slide. Early Childhood and Education Care. So we offer Certificate 3 in Early Childhood Education and Care. So ito yung mga eduk natin. Kung interested kayo sa pagtuturo or meron kayong mga background about sa pagtuturo, these are the best courses for you. We offer also Diploma of Early Childhood Education and Care. Alright, next course please. Ito na ang pinakamabenta kay Skyline or pinakamarami nag-a-apply kay Skyline, which is the hospitality course. Certificate for in Kitchen Management, Diploma of Hospitality Management, and Advanced Diploma of Hospitality Management. Those are the courses na top courses na ino-offer namin here. Sobrang benta nito and sobrang taas ng chance na makapasa kayo sa immigration if these are the courses na pinipili ninyo. However, dapat syempre may background kayo. Okay, mataas din yung rate ng approval nito. However, if you are really looking forward na makapagtrabaho abroad and makapag-study, dapat meron kayong credentials na connected sa mga courses na kukunin ninyo. Alright, next step. Next slide. This is our last course na ino-offer here, which is the IT course. Diploma of IT and Advanced Diploma of IT. We offer that here kay Skyline International College. Alright? So, Sir Benzel, kailan ako pwede mag-apply or kailan yung start ng mga classes? So, the intakes na ino-offer namin kay Skyline, just like what I mentioned earlier, we offer 8 intakes each year or more than. It really depends kung kailan mo gusto mag-start. So, sabi ko nga walang problema kung kailan mo gusto mag-start, mag-aral here kasi ino-offer namin. So, anytime pwede ka mag-start. Choose natin kung kailan mo pinakagusto umalis dito sa bansa natin and start your study journey. So, the offer intakes are January, April, July, September, and October. So for midterm, meron kaming Feb, May, August, November. But if you're interested na next year na mag-start, pwede naman kami mag-accept. So if you are willing to start na next year, just hit up yung ICS and they are the one to help you with your application. So very trustworthy
Yes.
guys. Sobrang mapagkakatiwalaan sila and sobrang magagaling sila Miss Kyla and Miss April mag-handle ng applications. And hindi nila kayo pababayaan. Same as with Sky International College.
Yes.
So that's for me.
Also, Benz, do you have age limit for those courses, especially for construction?
Yeah, for age limit naman, in general guys, since si Australia kasi is may sa age limit.
Yes, very strict. Yes.
For vet courses. So, wala naman kaming problema sa age as long as 30. So if lagpas na kayo ng 30, we will double check pa rin yung mga documents
Alright.
ninyo. But if naman gusto ninyo talaga mag-aral pero lagpas 30 na, so we will do that and we will do some assessments case by case basis. And if you are approved,
Okay.
then congratulations.
Okay, thank you so much, Benzel. Yes, thank you so much for the real answer. And then you would like to endorse your Facebook page or
And also guys, if you
yeah,
want
social
to check
media,
our
yeah.
campus, if you want to check our campus, kung ano itsura ng campus namin, you can check our YouTube channel. That's Skyline International College, and you can literally see kung asan yung location namin, kung gaano siya kalapit sa CBD, sa
Yes.
Central Station, and ano itsura ng loob ng campus namin. And ano yung nakapaligid dito. Just like what I mentioned earlier, yung campus namin is napapaligiran siya ng mga swimming pools, parks, and so that is actually true. So you can see that sa videos namin sa YouTube. And also if you want to check our website, that's Skyline sic.edu.au. And actually lahat ng tanong ninyo about sa school and about studying abroad nandito sa Skyline International College website. Kahit yung magkano yung budget ninyo per week, per month, lahat nandito. Kung anong requirements kailangan ninyo ipasa, kung anong course ang dapat sa inyo, anong prerequisite ng course na kukunin ninyo. So those information are available sa aming website, which is sic.edu.au. You can check our Facebook as well, and marami kaming updates doon.
All right, thank you so much, Benzel. By the way, everyone, this Facebook Live webinar again is in partnership with Skyline International College. Okay. So before we forward with the next topic, we'll just have some icebreaker, Benzel. So we've got here set of questions, and we are giving away Gcash prizes, everyone. So for the answer, you just have to comment that on the comment section below. Okay. So here's the first question: what is the most famous tourist spot in Sydney? So again, what is the most famous tourist spot in Sydney? Kindly comment down on the comment section below, everyone. And we will be giving you a Gcash prize for this one. So this is in courtesy with Skyline International College.
So ayan no, aalamin mo lang kung ano yung famous, tourist spot.
Yes, so what is the most famous tourist spot in Sydney, everyone? Kindly comment down on the comment section below. Yeah, so first to answer will get the Gcash prize. Hindi nila kailangan ng pera, Benz. Hindi sila nag-answer.
Marami ng pera. Gusto lang nila mag-aral.
Gusto
Yun,
lang talaga nila ng information.
I think so.
Okay, so, all right. So while waiting for the answer for the first question, we're just gonna proceed with the next slide.
Mhm. Yeah, sure.
Okay. So why ICS everyone as your trusted partner agency? So first is that we've got more than 15 certified counselors who will be able to help and guide you in your student journey. And that's just a student journey. We've also got a lot of visas for services offered for you. It depends on your situation. So you just have to message us in ICS Cebu so that we would know on how we can assist and handle your concern. Next is register. We've got 2 registered migration agents just in case you have some migration concern. So you just have to ping us up and we are definitely going to help you with that one. Next is ICS has been in the industry for over 10 years now. And aside from that, for over 10 years of serving in this industry, we've also got 10,000, more than 10,000 successful visa grants. Kasi nga, di ba, Benz, if someone would like to look for a certain agency, so mostly yung mga tao talaga is nag-ask like, how much is your rate for like the successful
Yeah.
visa grants? So for ICS, for the past 10 years, we've got more than 10,000 successful visa grants already. And of course, we've got 5-star Google rating as well. So this is ICS. So we've got here answers: Queen City of the South, Temple of Leia. Hala, Cebu ni ba? So mainland island, Batayan Island. Again. So I'm gonna repeat the question, everyone. So what is the famous tourist spot in Sydney, Australia? Okay,
Yeah.
famous tourist spot in Sydney, Australia. Just put it in the comment section below.
Mhm.
Okay, and then again, ICS Cebu was started last 2015. So our first branch was in Kathmandu, and then that's in Nepal. And last 2018, we opened our Melbourne branch, which is our main branch now, ICS Melbourne. Next 2021, we've opened our Butwal branch. And 2023, we opened our Sydney branch. So we've got Sydney branch in Sydney as well. In 2024, we opened our first branch here in the Philippines, which is located in Isabela. And at the same year, we also opened our Sri Lanka branch. And 2025, we opened our very own Cebu branch. Okay. Hello, Magellan's Cross. Okay, so here's our office. Our offices we've got here: Melbourne, Sydney, Kathmandu, Butwal, Isabela, Cebu, and Sri Lanka office. Also, our services, we do offer counseling and student free screening. And aside from that, we've got here visa application and migration services as well. Okay, so our student journey map, this is how we support and we guide our student. So first is we do have our free consultation with ICS Cebu. We do assess your profile, and if ever we are done with assessing your profile, we do offer you a specific school, and a specific course selection guidance. This is also based on your profile as well. And same goes to visa documentation assistance. We do handle that one, guys. And not just visa documentation, we also do handle your departure and settlement as well. But we don't stop here. So just in case you are already studying in Australia and you wanted to extend your visa, or you want to, apply for a post-study visa, temporary skill visa, partner visa, or tourist visa for your relatives, for your partners, for your friends, yes, we also handle those services as well. So for the student visa, you only need these initial documents for assessment. So we need your valid passport, passport. We also need your transcript of record and your diploma if you are a college graduate, a bachelor degree holder, I mean. But if you are graduate from, if you're just a senior high school, we only need your TOR or your Form 137 and your diploma. And if you are working as well, we need your certificate of employment, updated resume, and also before you apply for a student visa, guys, we really need your PTE result or your IELTS. So you have to take that one before you apply for a student visa in Australia, and as well as your evidence of financial capacity on how you can sustain your studies in Australia or your proof and source of funds. So our special offers for ICS Cebu is that we don't have processing fee for student visa applications. We've got free airport pickup for schools located in Melbourne. And also we've got free PTE review sessions with an expert of our PTE coach. So we've got our personal PTE coach in ICS. We've got scholarship and tuition discount assistance. Oh, by the way, Ben's, no, wala si Ben's. So free, next is the free pre-departure orientation and referral rewards program. So just in case, guys, you wanted to refer us a student, so you have a specific referral bonus for that one. So you just have to message us ICS Cebu if you have a interested student who wanted to apply for a student visa or not just student visa. Any services, like any visa services that we do offer, you just message us in ICS Cebu. And also, Ben, do you have a scholarship or tuition discount assistance
Yes,
for
here,
Skyline? Yes. So we
yes,
can add it here.
we have a lot of offers and scholarship that we offer to our Filipino students, especially Filipino
Yes.
students. Exclusive offer. This is the only offer that we provide to our students, especially for us, since we want more Filipino students and we are looking for diversity. So we offer
Yes.
2,000 discount um, sa courses fee ninyo. So 2,000 AUD is a big money for us Filipinos. So you can actually pay for your ticket on the way to Australia, apartment. So that is a big discount to give sa ating mga students. So 2,000 AUD guys if you apply
2000 AUD.
Cebu.
All right. So this is a grant visa, right? Or
Yes.
in regardless. Okay. So the visa should be granted, guys, so that you could get the 2,000 Australian dollars. Yeah,
Mhm.
that's discount. It's a big discount already for the student.
Mhm.
Okay, thank you so much, Benzel. And then next slide, please. Okay, so let's proceed now. So your questions, our real answers. So Benzel, we've got set of questions here from our audience. So we got here from our TikTok, Instagram,
Mhm.
and our Facebook account. So these were the questions of the students for Skyline International College.
Okay.
Okay, so here's the first question. So, pwede po bang mag-shift ng course kung sakaling hindi ko magustuhan yung una kong pinili?
All right. So that's a good question actually since sa ibang institution if you will ask them pwede bang mag-shift ng course pagdating ninyo if hindi nyo nagustuhan yung course, you need to actually study for the next 3 months or 6 months before
Yes.
makapag-shift ng course. So here kay Skyline, if gusto mong mag-shift ng course or magpalit ng course since parang hindi mo nagustuhan yung pinili mo or gusto mo lang mag-change ng career, we can definitely approve yung shift na hinihingi ninyo. So, if you want to study with a different course, just let us know and then babaguhin namin siya agad-agad. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-wait ng 3 or 6 months. Automatic, papalitan namin kasi kayo ang boss namin dito.
That is correct. Thank you so much. And kanina pala Benz, meron na nag-answer sa first question natin. So,
Mhm.
si Ma'am Silky Jewel Ngoho, Sydney Opera House. That's correct. So that is the most famous tourist spot in
Okay.
Sydney. Yes, so Sydney Opera House. Okay, so before we proceed with the next question, let's
Mhm.
just have another icebreaker.
Okay.
All right, so we've got we will be giving you Gcash prize, guys. So please, if you know the answer, just put it in the comment section below. Okay. All right. So the next question is, what is the Sydney's most famous beach? So Sydney is known for its very lovely and famous beaches in Sydney,
Mhm.
but they've got like the most famous beach in Sydney. And what is the name of the famous beach? So if you guys know the answer, just put the answer on the comment section below.
Mhm.
All right. So while waiting for the answer, let's proceed to the next question. Okay. Okay, so the next question, Bant, is do you help students with part-time job opportunities while studying in Skyline International?
Mm. Alright. So, na-mention ko na siya kanina. So, dito kay Skyline, we have a lot of partners and connections that can actually help you to look for
Sige.
a suitable
Yes.
part-time job opportunities. Siyempre, since nasa Australia tayo, malayo tayo sa pamilya natin, we need some financial support. So, by doing that, by giving our students an opportunity para makapag part-time, you can actually matulungan mo yung sarili mo financially. So, the answer for that is yes. We will help you sa job
Oh,
opportunities and sideline ninyo or part-time
nice.
job kapag nasa Australia na.
All right. So yun, narinig you guys that Skyline International College will definitely help you with not just with your study career, but as well as your part-time job opportunities while studying in Sydney. All right. Thank you so much, Vance. And we have our winner for the second question, Miss K. So Miss K, just message us in ICS Cebu Facebook page to claim your prize. Yes, that's correct. So the famous beach in Sydney is the Bundy Beach. That's correct. So before we proceed with the next question, guys, so we've got another icebreaker question. So here
Mhm.
is the question. What is the most populated city in Australia with over 5 million residents? So again, what is the most populated city in Australia that with over 5 million residents? So if you guys know the answer, comment the answer on the comment section below before we proceed with the next question. All right. Okay, so while waiting, we'll just proceed with the next question. Yes. So again, ala ako mama ang nakadaog guys. So ako ang Gcash price. Okay, so again, guys, Skyline International College, they've got a promotion of 2,000 Australian dollar discount for visa granted applications. Yes. Okay, so akong mama guys kay dili man siya maka-claim sa GCash no. So we've got here Miss Princess Reyes. Congratulations, ma'am. Yes. So Sydney is the most populated city in Australia with over 5 million residents. Wow. Thank you so much from Princess. And sorry, Miss Lani, you cannot claim the GCash prize. You cannot send GCash in Turkey. Okay. So this is the next question, Ben. What's the average cost of living in Sydney for a student monthly?
I see. So that is one of the questions talaga na gusto natin malaman yung
I'm
sagot.
serious, yes.
Since
Yes.
we are not really familiar kung magkano yung gastusin na haharapin natin pagdating sa Australia, right? So on our website, just like what I mentioned earlier, any questions, like any curiosity na meron kayo sa utak ninyo before going abroad, andun na yung questions. So if you will look on our website, sic.edu.au, merong answer doon kung magkano yung gagastusin nyo for accommodation and for other living expenses. And as you all know guys, sa Australia, weekly ang singilan nila ng upa. Dito kasi sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? Monthly. So in Australia, that is actually weekly. So if you choose to stay in hostels or guest houses, ayun yung pinaka cheapest option, like 90 to
Yes.
$150 per week. Pero if gusto niyo yung mas konting comfortable, pwede naman kayo sa shared rental. That's actually 95 to 215 AUD per week, or kapag on campus, 110 AUD to 280 per week. If homestay naman, 235 AUD to 325 per week. And if gusto niyo ng rental, yung sarili niyo talaga, 185 to 440 per week. And yung mga boarding schools, sila yung mga pinakamahal. Umabot na sila ng thousands. For other living expenses naman, like groceries or eating out, nakadepende yan sa inyo. Yung mga gas ninyo, electricity, phone and internet,
Yes.
case by case basis talaga kasi sa inyo yan. Nakadepende kung gaano kayo kagastos. Pero yung accommodation
Correct.
and things, nakokontrol yan guys. Pero just to give you some information kung gaano kamahal yung mga bilihin doon, umaabot ng mga ganong prices.
All right. So thank you so much, Venzel. So it's very rare, no, because like Skyline International is more focused on Sydney, right? And most of the schools they were more focused on Melbourne, but for Skyline International, it's very a great opportunity that they offer schools that is in Sydney base as well. So thank you so much for that real answer, Benzel. All right, so let's proceed to the next question. Yes, that's correct, Miss Princess. So that's 29,710 Australian dollars. That's correct, very exact. So, paano po kung may mga problema ang anak ko sa Australia, like health issues or emergencies, paano sila matutulungan? So I think this question, I can answer this, especially for IC as Bubens, no? So yes, so before for example, we've got our student visa applicant, guys. So in order for you to apply for a student visa, it is a must that you guys get a insurance. So we call it OSHC. So we have to get OSHC when you study in Australia, just in case you've got health issues or emergencies in Australia, kasi hindi naman natin mapipredict kung ano yung mangyayari sa atin when we arrive in Australia. And of course, in Australia, iba din kasi yung mga Filipinos dun, Benz, kasi they do work hard and they do study hard at the same time. So we have to value our mental health as well. Though Australia is a country that values work and life balance, but us Filipinos, we are hardworking. So this is very, very important, especially for those Filipinos who are studying in Australia. Like it is a must that you have to get a insurance. So this is how to, that is the real answer to this question. Okay, so we've got more questions. Next question. Okay. So, kailangan ko ba ng malaking PTE score para makapasok sa mga Australian schools? So, for Skyline International College bands, what is your PTE score for Skyline?
And actually, this is one of the, kumbaga, hindrance natin mga Pilipino, thinking na hindi natin kayang ipasa yung PTE or IELTS exam natin. Kasi feeling natin, kailangan sobrang galing natin mag-English, sobrang galing natin sa communication, kapag gusto natin pumunta abroad or to study there. So actually, hindi naman po dapat kabahan kasi hindi naman talaga ganun kataas ang requirements ng mga institutions sa ibang bansa. Especially kay Skyline, we only require 50 overall PTEs, not lower than 45 each band. So writing, communicating lahat, dapat 45 pataas, and our overall should be 50. So you don't need to worry naman
Yes.
kung kakabahan if mag-English test na. Kasi tayo mga
Mm-mm.
Pilipino, magaling tayo sa English. Masyado lang tayong takot sa result natin. So,
Totoo yan. Mm-mm. Yes, and also to add that one up, for PTE score as well, guys. So, as I've said a while ago, that before you apply for a student visa, we have to properly assess your application. So, if you are a bachelor degree holder, then you have to target a higher education course. And if you are not a bachelor degree holder, then you can get vocational courses, which is for Skyline International College, that they do offer a variety of vet courses. So on that specific courses, they've got specific PTE score. For higher education courses, they've got higher PTE score. And for vocational courses, they've got lower PTE score. But it always depends on the course that you are going to get, or also depends on the school, correct? Yes. Okay, thank you so much, Vance. So this is our next question from our viewers for today. So again, safe po ba ang area around the school, Benz, lalo na sa gabi for
yes,
Skyline
especially
International?
hindi tayo sanay sa ibang
Yes.
bansa, right? Like, this is a new environment for us, so we need to make sure now we are safe. Just like what I told you earlier, one of our advantage sa ibang institution is our location is located lang around Bearwood, and that's 3 minutes away sa Central Station. So, hindi mo na kailangan maglakad
Mm-mm.
malayo if you are going home. And our business or our school is located lang malapit sa CBD, so maraming tao, hindi siya masyadong liblib, which is a very good area for school, and located kami ng mga resto. Hindi mo na kailangan lumayo if you want to eat out with your friends. Located kami sa park. So if you want to, mag-chill lang. So, there's an option for you na mag-chill lang kasi malapit sa school namin yon. So, sobrang safe ng school namin, especially sa gabi. Hindi siya liblib, and malapit lang siya sa Central Station kung saan pwede kang
Central. Yes, that's correct. I think this question comes from a parent, no? Because as I've said a while ago, when we started our Facebook Live webinar, I said na Australia is one of the safest place to live and study, especially for those parents na, nagpa-paranoid. Siyempre, kung mag-isa lang yung anak nila na mag-abroad, mag-study. So, mas importante talaga yung safety ng mga anak nila. So that's correct. That's a real answer from Benzel as well. So thank you so much, Vance. So I think this is the last question for today's Facebook Live webinar. So ano po yung mga steps na dapat kong gawin kung gusto kong mag-extend ng stay ko sa Australia pagkatapos ng studies ko? So I think this question is addressed to ICS Cebu. So, yes, ano po yung steps na dapat kong gawin kung gusto kong mag-extend ng stay sa Australia? So, this question goes to those student visa holders as well now who has active student visa, guys. You really have to double check your visa expiry. So, for the visa expiry as well, if your visa is going to expire for the next 6 months or even a year, kailangan you have to like check with your agent or check with us, ICS Cebu or ICS Melbourne team, because we can definitely help you with the extension of your visa. Kasi pag late na, guys, and expiring na yung visa mo, so possible na baka hindi na natin siya properly assess yung application mo, or hindi na natin siya ma-extend. So, ang possibility niyan is kailangan babalik ka talaga sa Philippines, so that you have to, reapply for another visa again. But for that one, guys, you have to check if yung visa mo is expiring na. Much better if 6 months before, you have to check with your agent or contact us so that we can assist you with that. So for the steps, kami na po yung bahala na mag-extend sa visa nyo. It's just that you have to very, attentive with the expiry of your visa para matulungan ka namin. All right, so before we end the question, so we've got the last icebreaker for today's Facebook Live webinar. Again, guys, this Facebook Live webinar is in partnership and sponsored with Skyline International College. Okay, so this is the last icebreaker for today's live webinar. So are you guys ready? So kindly comment on the comment section below. The first one na makakatype nito will get a GCash prize from us. In courtesy with Skyline International College. So kindly comment study in Skyline International College in the comment section below. And the first one will get the GCash prize. Yeah, so dapat complete, guys. So study in Skyline International College. Yes. So kindly type study in Skyline International College. Just comment that down on the comment section below. And before we end this Facebook Live webinar, just keep the real talk rolling. Message us in Facebook, in our Facebook page, ICS Cebu. You can also visit us in Unit KM Crossroads Mall, Banilad, Cebu City. We've got our office, and from here, co-working space that's in the ground floor. So you just have to look for me and my colleague April as well. So you can also contact us through Viber or through WhatsApp using our company phone number that's on the screen below. And email us at cebu@icsinternationalgroup.com. Kindly follow and like our social media page, guys. That's our Facebook, ICS Cebu, our Instagram, ICS Cebu, and our TikTok page, ICS.Cebu. So yeah. Okay, we have a winner now. So that's Miss Princess Reyes. So yes, that's correct. Study in Skyline International College. So Miss Princess, kindly message us on our Facebook page, ICS Cebu, to claim your GCash prize. Okay, so anything to add up before we end our live, Benzo? Or you want to thank you everyone, wrap up
Yeah,
everything.
So before we end, I just want to say thank you lang again for ICS or to ICS Cebu for conducting this webinar para makapagbigay ng chance sa ating mga Filipino students makapag-study kay Skyline International College.
Yes.
So if you are looking forward na mag-work and study abroad, especially Sydney or kay Skyline, just message ICS Cebu and they are willing to help you na makapag-start ng journey ninyo studying in Skyline. So, see you sa Skyline International College.
Yes, thank you so much as well, Ben, for having me here in our Facebook Live and, for choosing ICS Cebu as one of your partners agency as well. So that's a wrap for today's webinar. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. Till the next Real Talk. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead, you guys.